Hello and welcome to another episode of Latest Update. The topic of discussion is discovery of potash reserves in Punjab. The discovery of potash reserves in Punjab is significant as it could reduce India's dependency on potash import and strengthen the domestic fertilizer industry. Potash, a key agricultural nutrient, is primarily used in fertilizers to enhance crop yields. India imports around 50 lakh tons annually, which significantly burdens the economy. Before we proceed, we have an important announcement for you. Drishti IAS is pleased to announce a new badge for the IAS Foundation Prelims Plus Mains course at its Noida branch. The English medium batch will commence on 17th February. The Hindi medium batch will begin on 21st February. For more details, call us at 87501 87501. The reserves in Punjab, located in the Fazilka and Muktasar Sahib districts, were confirmed through surveys by the Geological Survey of India, joining Rajasthan as a major potash-rich state. These findings are critical in reducing India's reliance on foreign imports. Challenges and delays in potash mining. Despite substantial reserves, potash mining in Punjab has been delayed. The reserves, located around 450 meters below the surface, have yet to be extracted due to concerns over land acquisition and environmental impact. Farmers in the region have expressed opposition to mining, fearing loss of land, although the government has assured that no land acquisition will occur and extraction will use advanced drilling techniques with minimal environmental disruption. The potential economic benefits include the creation of employment and regional development. However, the mining process is still in the early stages, with the Kabarwala block near auction. For mining to begin, the central government must finalize the auction and the government must address the farmers' concerns for smooth implementation. The development of potash mining could provide India with greater fertilizer self-sufficiency, benefiting agriculture while contributing to the economy's growth. However, social and environmental assessments are crucial before starting operations. Now it's time for the practice question. Which state in India has the largest potash reserves? Punjab, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh or Gujarat? Send us the answer in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.